Hey everybody, Bama Cooley here, and today I am sitting in a 2023 Ford Raptor R. Now, this isn't a normal review. Everybody knows that what a Raptor R looks like, especially the 23 models, but I haven't driven one extensively. So this is going to be more of a driving review. Let's go. All right, everybody, let's crank it up and so let's drive this beast. That sounds good. That startup sounds real good. Yes, we want to return to sport mode. So basically this is the 23, so it's pretty much just like my Raptor, and other than the fact that it's got a 700 horsepower supercharged V8 in it. So of course, you know, you've got the 37-inch tires and everything. Like I said, everybody knows what it looks like. Everybody kind of knows what's the deal. So, but I haven't driven it extensively, so this is what we're about to do. I'm going to put it in Baja mode because it's the way this thing should be ran anyway. To hell with the neighbors and waking them up. Run it in Baja mode. Sorry for the sniffles. It is a cool 31 degrees here in Alabama at 10 o'clock. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. Now, I will say the hood bulge takes a little getting used to because it sits up so much higher than the normal Raptors. And I do feel like I am up a good bit higher than in my Raptor, sitting on these 37s. You do get a little bit of the supercharger whine when you floor it, but it's definitely not 2RX level, which, I mean, don't get me wrong, I like the supercharger whine, but I've never launched a Raptor R. Like I said, I don't have an extensive driving history with the Raptor R, so I've never launched one, so hopefully we'll get a good pull today. It's nice and cool outside. The engine should be sucking in a lot of cool air. Got 700 horsepower, 640 pound-feet of torque. See, there's the whine. You get it right there a little bit. But mainly, you get the exhaust note. So Ford went with more exhaust note. Now, you can upgrade this now to the 3.8 liter Whipple supercharger, and you'll probably get more supercharger whine in that. Bumping this up to 950, 975 horsepower, which is what I want to do if I get a 25 Raptor R, if I'm fortunate enough. So, special thanks to Woody Anderson Ford and Ryan Black for letting me drive this 23 Raptor today. This current Raptor is on sale. It's avalanche gray, doesn't have any of the decals on it, so it's got that clean look. And it's well broken in, hence why I'm going to do a draggy on it. I thought my truck was fast with the tune, but when you get into it, this thing is awesome. The amount of torque and pull once to pull you into your seat is amazing. just sounds so good. And it's a Raptor, of course it's going to drive well. This thing drives like a Cadillac on the road. I just wished I could take it off-road for all of you. We're doing 75 or 80 in sport mode. This thing drives like a dream. 37-inch tires soak up everything. You got, even in sport suspension, it's still. I wonder if they'd let me have this for the day and just drive it all day. Just make videos and drive it all day. That's what I need to do. Okay, I just gunned it. I didn't even gun it fully. It was like maybe 2/3, 3/4 of the way, and I was already doing 70, and you just heard it kick in and push you back. Amazing. One knock. Ford, get rid of those long, flimsy ass antennas. Shorten them up or get rid of them completely. There's plenty of technology to get rid of those. You don't need a long, flimsy ass antenna. Oh, it sounds amazing. It sounds. I mean, I love the way mine sounds in Baja mode. Don't get me wrong. But it's a different sounding. It's a GTR sound versus the V8 Rumble. And I love the way this sounds. I just love driving. I love driving the Raptors. I wish I could get this out in the sand dunes somewhere up at Michigan or somewhere out west. $5,900 bid. I love it. Does anybody need a 700 horsepower super truck? No. But is it wrong to want one? Absolutely not. Did I mention that I love this truck? Well, that's pretty much the driving review for the day, everybody. I don't know what else I can say about this truck other than the fact that it's probably the best truck ever built, with a close 1B TRX running behind it. But I'm more of a Ford guy than a Dodge guy or a Ram guy, so I'm going to put this above the TRX. But comment and let me know what you think. And remember, visit Woody Anderson Ford if you're interested in this particular truck. They'll give you a great deal on it. Ryan Black is the salesman. He helps me out a lot, gives me a lot of good vehicles to review so that I can keep you guys informed. But yeah, go check them out. And I will see y'all at the dealership.